So, Miss Arbol, as I'm getting to know you a little better, I'm sensing a pattern around this need to sacrifice.
Give.
All right, give. Where do you think that comes from?
Once there was a tree who loved a little boy.
Ain't no sunshine when he's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone. This house just ain't no home. Anytime he goes away. I am sorry. I have no money. I have only leaves and apples. Come, boy, take my apples and sell them in the city. Then you will have money and you will be happy.
Must pick it. If I want healthy sons. If I want healthy sons with PhD. If I need healthy sons with PhD from IIT, I have to pick. Na hey, na hey,
Come. I see you. Yes. Hey, come. Hey. Oh, very tall. Very tall. Oh, you can come. Come, I have something for you. You like it? You like it? You take it. You like it? You take it. Take it. You like it, you take it. You like it. Oh, not a good one. Hey, you like it? Hi, you like it, you take it. You like it, you take it. Hey, 1 minute. I like it. I like it. I take it? Ooh. Oh. You like it, you take it. I like it, I take it. I wish I had more apples. Now I'm gonna spread the news that every Tuesday's good getting used. Well, you keep on using me till you abuse me up. 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 Use me. Use me. Use me. Use me. Use me, 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 use.